So when you're go to your home page, you're going to print the 8 by 10s. You're going to go to view all orders, click on that, and then we're going to get the job name here, which is David, and download artwork here. And now we have the portrait with text, portrait without text, and the 8 by 10. So that's what we want. So we're going to click to download, and you'll notice that it went down here to the bottom for the download. And when that's finished, we're going to save that file on your computer under the person's name. Okay, now the file is finished downloading, so now we'll open it. This is our 2 pictures, and if you'll notice, if we were to go all the way from this edge to this edge, that's a 13 by 19. And the 8 by 10s are inside, so you do not need a different piece of canvas. The same 13 by 19 piece of canvas you do the single portrait on, you'll do these on too, and it will print automatically. But right now we're going to right click, not left click, but right click, and then we're going to copy this. And now we're going to go to our desktop. That's where I have this file, if you'll notice, deceased. And I'm going to open that up, and I'm going to create a new file by right clicking, come down here to new, folder, and now I'm going to type in the person's name. I'm just going to say David. And now I'm going to click on this and save this file here. And now we're going to print that file. And the way we're going to do that is I will put my cursor on the file. I will not open it. I'll just have my cursor on it, and I will right click again. And we'll come down to print and left click on print. And now you'll notice the Canon Pro 100 series comes up. The paper size is A3 plus 13 by 19, standard quality. And now we want to make sure it's fit, picture to frame, that's checked. We're ready to go. So now what we do is just click on print. Now this box comes up after you hit print, and now it wants to make sure we want to do our printing. So we're going to hit start printing. We'll go ahead and put our 13 by 19 canvas in, make sure it's all the way to the back, not using this part ever. And now our job is ready to go, and it will print.
Now we have our 2 8 by 10 graphics printed. One has text, one is without text. So first we need to cut them. The canvas cuts very easily. You have a margin for error, so you don't have to worry about being exact in your cut. If you're going to err on one side, cut into the print. You don't want to leave any white on the print. So we're going to cut around the perimeter of the 2 prints first. And then we'll cut in half. And you can see the clear line there where the division is. And once you have the cut made, we're going to take a small piece of double-sided tape. We're going to affix it near the top of the backing for the frame. take your graphic, get on the, smooth it a little bit so it lays nice and flat. And we're going to inside your frame and bend your flex points down. It can be a little sharp, so you might want to use a little screwdriver or your scissors. And that is your finished product.